morning. I have just gotten back from the gym. Actually, I already went, showered, and back in my car. I did a bar class this morning and it was really good. My legs were shaking. I'm now going to Earth Cafe to work. My laptop battery is so bad. It literally lasts like 2-3 hours before it dies. So I'm gonna just work there until my laptop dies. It wasn't fully charged. I'll give you an update on Cherry Girl. I get so excited the more and more I see the website coming together. I get so excited to like work on it even more. It just gets me so motivated. And with the vlogging as well, like I'm really proud of myself that I've held myself accountable from no vlogging at all to one video every single week. So I'm really proud of myself and I'm gonna continue vlogging. Sorry, my hair, I need to wash it tonight. That's why it's in a ponytail. So that's my name. Enjoy. What I'm getting up to, finalizing the about page. I will be brainstorming the video that I want to upload on that because I do want to curate a small little about video so it's easy to kind of understand for the visual learners. And this is today's vlog. I'll be vlogging for this page. I think I kind of want to go to the movies today, so I'll vlog my day. I did a bar class and I will be turning after this, and then I will finish structure of the nutrition page. It's a decent amount of work, but it's not enough for me to be overwhelmed, which I'm really happy about. Wow. And of course, some chamomile tea. These cookies are so warm. They made them fresh. Okay, I'm gonna try chocolate chip. It's like warm, so warm. Guys, what day is it today?
Tuesday.
Tuesday. Happy Tuesday. Me and Taras just went to the gym and now we're having beetroot, carrot and ginger juice. We just stopped by Waitrose. I also got a ginger shot. I already ate before the gym. I had a 4-egg omelette. Not nice. And so I'm not hungry, but he got a salad, a mixed salad, which is our, like literally our beach tradition. But I just got some juices and we got a fruit platter to have at the beach. So this is our beach day.
Have a Tuesday.
How cute are these buses just taking turns leaving? They look like little bees leaving a beehive. I don't know why I think it's so cute. Hi guys, I'm gonna cook some dinner. So I wanna show you my recipe. This is actually not my recipe, but it's kind of my take on cowboy caviar because I've been craving it. But quickly, my roommate just got back from Mexico. She's from Mexico and she brought me some gifts and I love cute little food gifts. So she got me this salsa because I love salsa and I'm going to use it to marinate. Like it's good to marinate with meat and make like quesadillas and stuff. So she got me this and I literally saw this and was like, I need this. I need like a little coin pouch because I don't have one. And it's like handmade. How adorable is it? I love the colors. It's so colorful. It's so me. So grateful. She's so lovely. I did a quick delivery on Kareem. I ordered probably half an hour ago and I got some Spanish onions, some olives, some capsicum, some tomato, coriander, some feta, some corn. Well, sorry, it's very bright because it's not bright right here, so I had to get an extra light. And look how many cucumbers they gave me for 5 dirhams. They always have deals on. And I got some corn chips. So I'm gonna quickly cut it up and enjoy it. I'll show you guys the process. Hope you enjoy.
sense
The noise in the background is a podcast with Joe Dispenza, so I'm just watching that while I'm cutting everything up. I'm actually going to chuck these on the pan for like
takes an enormous amount of energy.
A few minutes just to char them a little bit because I do like that taste to it.
Is enough times that you're unconscious to they have people that have lupus, that have MS, that have.
This is what my salad is looking like, my charred corn. I have this seasoning that I bought in Miami from Trader Joe's. 2 seasonings. I got this one, which is great on like corn, anything Mexican, and I also got some onion salt. Scoop. Chef's kiss. That's my dinner.
This is the moment where they don't feel like returning the texts. They don't feel like going to dinner and seeing the same people. They don't feel like watching the same television show any longer. The sports car, the wardrobe, none of that is making this feeling go away. This is a moment of reckoning for the soul. And this is really when you can actually see yourself through the eyes of someone else because you don't feel like yourself anymore. And that's the moment where people begin to change. They can see how they've been thinking. They can notice how they've been acting. They can pay attention or become aware of how they've been feeling for the last 20 years. And that idea in neuroscience is called metacognition. That's the moment you're no longer programmed.
Hi guys, I'm heading to the mall to meet Helena for lunch. We're gonna eat at Chinatown. We wanted to eat at this really nice, fancy restaurant, but I thought, let's save our money and we'll go to Chinatown and order a bunch of different Asian foods, and we will do a food haul for you so you can see I'm such a big foodie. And then I will go to Earth Cafe to work on my website for a little bit and then head to the gym after. That's my day. Enjoy. Mwah. This is what we have. I want to break this. These are pancakes. Let me break it. I'm gonna report back. Xiao Long Bao. This is crab and I think pork. I just got to Earth Cafe with Helena. And I'm gonna work on my laptop until it dies. So I'm gonna work here for the next couple of hours and then maybe head to the gym later. So yeah, I'll show you what's on my list of things to do today. Some things I've already done, but I'm also gonna work on my nutrition page, which I will make a note of. Good morning. Good morning. I am heading to run some errands today, but I want to have breakfast. I've been craving this breakfast for a while, and I was like, you know what, today's the day. There is this Lebanese bakery called Ka'ak Al Manara, and I love it. Every time someone comes to Dubai that I know, I take them here for breakfast, and they fall in love with it. It's so good. They make fresh ka'ak, and I can't wait to go and eat because I haven't eaten yet. It's already 1 o'clock. And then I need to run to the mall. I need to get some slippers just for the house, some toothpaste, some super glue, just some bits and bobs, and then maybe head to the gym later tonight. That's my day. Enjoy. Started reading this book a while ago, Building Better Families by Matthew Kelly. He's an Australian author and he's one of my favorite authors. I just love the way he writes. I started reading this book and I stopped reading it. It's just a practical guide on how to raise kids, like in a really nice and beautiful way, and it's really nice. It makes me feel very grateful every time I read his books because I've probably read 4 of them now. And he's from Paddington. He's from like literally so close to where I'm from, so it kind of touches home, and I just want to finish it. There's like a tiny little bit left, and I always think about it like, oh my god, that book was so good, I haven't had time to finish it, or I haven't felt like reading it, because it's quite like sentimental, kind of puts you in a place of like gratitude. Sometimes it brings me like tears of joy reading his books, and I just have been so go. I haven't had the moment to like appreciate that kind of reading, so I'm gonna finish the book today. I know I will feel so good after reading this. Show you how to make it. I might actually have this for dinner tomorrow because I'm craving like chicken with sweet potato. Very healthy craving, so that's probably what I'm gonna have for dinner, but I will show you how to make the chicken soup anyway. I cannot deal with it. It's all over me. I'm literally off the beanbag.